Well, hi, this is Rich, and recently we did had some work done by Blue Shield floor covering, and they do such a great job. I just wanted to tell you, they transform your concrete sidewalks and porches and garages and industrial areas as well. Uh, they did such a great job, I want to make a video of it. They have offices in Tulsa and Oklahoma City. Mine's in Oklahoma City. But let's go on over to our porch, and let me just show you about the piers. We have had 4 piers put in on our porch in the last few years, and it just looks terrible. Plus some broken concrete areas. And let's just see what transformation they made. So let's go on over and look at the porch and sidewalk.